guys, this is an old top, but I don't like the style of this top, so I decided to revamp it and change it into a more cute and chic vibe. First, I seam ripped the sides of the top. Next, I get a top that fits me nicely and I will use it as my pattern. I use tracing wheel for this step. After that, I cut it out and I also add 1/4 of an inch of seam allowance. I did the same thing in the back as well. Now we have the front and the back. Pin this pattern to the fabric so that when you cut, it will not move. Part of the top because that will be the part where I will put the buttons. I also hem the bottom part of the top to give it a more nice and clean look. I also hem the top part of the back piece and double hem the bottom part. And it should look like this. After that, I will pin the shoulder part and then I sew a straight stitch. Then the next thing that I did is that I attached the sleeves onto the body piece. Attaching the sleeves, now we're gonna pin the sides and sew a straight stitch. the last part of this tutorial is that putting the buttons, stitching it in place, and we're done. We're done! This is the final result! Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next tutorial.